Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Park your vehicle on level ground and turn off the engine before any inspections. Wear gloves and eye protection for safety. Locate the OBD2 port under the dash near the steering column and plug in a scanner or a zero-code reader. Turn the ignition to the accessory position without starting the engine. Read and record the numeric trouble codes shown by the scanner for later reference. Photograph the code screen and write down any freeze frame or pending codes for clarity. Identify the code meaning using a repair manual or a trusted online database. Cross-check manufacturer-specific codes when the code has a letter prefix. Inspect related systems such as hoses, electrical connectors, and vacuum lines for visible damage or disconnection. Check the gas cap torque and condition because a loose cap can trigger emissions codes. Look for cracked hoses, oil leaks, and corroded terminals within the engine bay. Replace damaged parts or tighten fittings using replace faulty sensors or parts based on the code and your inspection findings. Clear stored codes with the OBD2 scanner after repairs to reset the light. Start the engine and confirm no warning noise or new leaks exist before driving. Drive a full drive cycle of at least 50 miles to allow monitors to reset and for readiness checks to complete. Rescan the system if the engine light returns to capture any new or persistent codes. Seek professional diagnostics when codes are intermittent or repairs do not resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.